So your battery's dead, what do? If you're not locked out, if you're locked out, use the key, override to get in. The battery's quite simple to replace. All we do is we got to take off the inside trim, top and bottom screws. And it's as simple as replace the 9-volt battery. It just clips off. And put a new battery in there. Get a fresh battery. You can hear it right off the bat. We got power again. And just put it in there. Make sure you're not crimping any wires. Again, very, very simple. The biggest thing is line up the tail piece to the thumb turn. And just start each top and bottom. And again, snug. We don't want to go crazy tight. And there we go. Let's test it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.